Hello, this is Tyler with Old Guy Stuff on Busy Corner Lane, and I'm going to show you a trick I use when converting fractions to decimals when the denominator is 7. First thing we're going to do is memorize these numbers: 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Say them to yourself over and over till you got this down. Here's what we're going to do with them. On the left side, I've got my numbers for a possible numerator in ascending order from 1 through 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the 1, and then we're going to go to the 2, and we're going to go to the 4, and we're going to go in order going down here like this. So we got 1, 2, skip 3, 4, 5, skip 6, 7, 8, and nothing for the 7s. Okay. Now, I'm going to go in order with the numbers here. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So if I'm starting with 1, my next numbers are going to be 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. And if I'm starting with 2, my next number is 8. 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. If I'm starting with 4, my next number is 2. 8, 5, 7, 1. If I'm starting with 5, my next number is 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. If I'm starting with 7, my next number is 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. And if I'm starting with 8, my next number is 5. 5, 7, 1, 4, 2. Now let's put a decimal in front of each of these. Now, all of these numbers behind the decimal point are repeating decimals. So basically, put a repeat bar. All 6 numbers behind the decimal point repeat. Now, the only exception to all of these rules is when 7 is the numerator, because 7 over 7 is 1, so this becomes a 1.0. And that's it. So now if I'm looking at doing a fraction and it's, say, 4 over 7, then my starting number is 5, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, the decimal point, and the repeat bar. You don't have to write all of this when you set yourself up. What I do is I just write this series of numbers right there, nice and small, on my scratch paper, and then I'm ready to do everything that I need to do. This has been Talon with Old Guy Stuff. I hope this technique helps for people who are struggling with converting fractions to decimals with a denominator of 7. Hit like and subscribe and all that cool stuff. Have a safe, happy, peaceful, wonderful day, and goodbye.